Hey there, fellow techies. Ever wondered what makes your favorite apps run smoothly, or how search engines find exactly what you're looking for? The answer lies in data structures and algorithms. Data structures are the building blocks of computer science, organizing and storing data efficiently. Algorithms are the blueprints that tell computers how to process that data. From social media feeds to self-driving cars, data structures and algorithms are the invisible forces behind it all. Mastering these concepts is like unlocking the secrets to building faster, smarter, and more innovative technology. Fantastic news! Google is offering free courses on data structures and algorithms. These courses make top-notch computer science education accessible to everyone, regardless of background or budget. Entirely online, you can learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. This is an incredible opportunity to learn from the best in the industry without spending a dime. Get ready to dive into the world of data organization and manipulation. Google's free courses cover the fundamental building blocks of computer science, data structures, and algorithms. You'll explore core data structures, arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs. Each structure has its own strengths and weaknesses, suitable for specific tasks. Understanding these structures is key to writing efficient and well-organized code. You'll also delve into algorithms, the step-by-step procedures that breathe life into your code. Learn about sorting algorithms like bubble sort, insertion sort, and merge sort. Discover searching algorithms like linear search and binary search. As you progress, you'll tackle more complex algorithms, optimizing your code for speed and performance. Learning from Google's free courses isn't just about acquiring knowledge, it's about unlocking a world of benefits for your tech career. You'll be learning from the best, gaining insights from industry leaders. The flexibility of online learning means you can fit your studies around your existing commitments. Listing completed Google courses on your resume demonstrates your commitment to professional development. It's a signal to potential employers that you're a valuable asset. In the ever-evolving tech industry, continuous learning is key to staying relevant. Google's free courses provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to thrive. Are you ready to transform your understanding of computer science? Google's free courses are designed for a wide range of learners, from beginners to seasoned coders. If you're new to programming, these courses provide a solid foundation. For experienced developers, these courses offer an opportunity to refresh your knowledge and delve deeper into advanced concepts. Whether you're looking to ace technical interviews or improve your code's efficiency, these courses have something to offer. Some basic programming knowledge is recommended, but the courses start with fundamentals and gradually introduce more complex topics. If you have a passion for technology and a desire to learn, Google's free courses are the perfect stepping stone. Google's commitment to education goes beyond free courses. They offer a suite of resources and tools to support your learning journey. Check out Google's Developer Student Clubs, DSC, for networking and real-world experience. Google's online coding platform, Google Code Labs, offers interactive tutorials to build practical coding skills. Join online forums and social media groups dedicated to data structures and algorithms. Engage with fellow learners. Ask questions and share insights. Supplement the courses with additional resources like textbooks and coding challenges. The more you immerse yourself, the deeper your understanding will become. Google's free courses provide an incredible opportunity to gain in-demand knowledge. Enroll in Google's free courses by clicking the link provided in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on exciting internships and job opportunities.